Good morning, class family. It's a thankful Thursday. Let's look at our message together. Show me that you're a team and a class family. Follow with your eyes and listen with your ears. Use your finger to point. Oh, hey, Freddy Frog. Did you see Freddy Frog up there? How'd you get up there? Let's read the date together. Are you ready? October 27th, 2022. Dear class family, today is Thursday. We will learn a lot at school. First, we will use the word wall to review ABCs. Next, we will review the letter P and J. Then, we will make predictions using nonfiction. After that, we will add more to a piece of writing. Last, we will do literacy centers. Love, Miss Joyner. All right, class family, let's reread the message. Remember, good readers read things again. It's called rereading, and this helps their brain to understand the words on the page. Use your finger to point. And let's start with this abbreviation. Do you see this shortened way to write this month of the year? What month is OCT for the abbreviation? Do you know? Say it out loud. It is October. Let's go ahead and reread the whole date this time. Are you ready? October 27th, 2022. If you reread the date, great job. Let's reread the greeting. Are you ready? Use your finger to point. We'll start underneath the word dear. Dear class family. After the greeting, I noticed the first telling sentence. Do you know what it says? Reread it with me. Today is Thursday. It is Thursday. If you reread that, wonderful. Let's reread the second sentence. Are you ready to do it together? We will learn a lot at school. Oh, that's true, class family. We do that each day. You know, we're working on being a great collaborator, communicator, and creative and critical thinker. Let's see how we're going to do this today in kindergarten. First, we will use the word wall to review ABCs. Okay, just like we do every day, we're going to use the word wall as a resource. We have one posted in the classroom already, and we have an electronic version that'll be on the smartboard. It looks like this. We're going to review the ABCs the traditional way and do American Sign Language. So we'll be starting with A, apple, A, B, bat, B, C, cat, ca, and all the way to Z, zebra, Z. Before we review letters and sounds, I want us also to look at the word wall and see, which ones are the vowels? Do you know? Look at the ones that have red in the background. Let's review the vowels together too. A apple, A, E ed, I itch, O octopus, and U up, Shout out to Jack Hartman's YouTube channel and Mr. B's YouTube channel. We'll be using your channels to help move our bodies and pump our brains with knowledge and sing and dance. It'll be so much fun. Okay, so next we'll review the letter P and J. We're just going to be reviewing P, pan, P. And remember, when you make a lowercase p, you're going to go down, pick up, go around. All right, for P, pan, P. In addition to that, we will be working on the lowercase j, like J, jug, j. When you make a J, remember, you're going to go down, curve left, and then dot. Okay, besides making P and J, we're going to do a sort of things that start with those letters and brainstorm some things. We're going to do a double T chart and get some things, some words with T, or I'm sorry, not with T, with P and some with J. So think, what do you know that starts with P, pan, P? And what else can you think of that starts with J, jug, j? So we'll be thinking about that. Okay, then we'll make predictions using nonfiction. So good readers can make predictions. We're going to do that using nonfiction. Remember, I read to understand and learn. As you are making predictions, remember that nonfiction are texts that have real information. When we are looking at the nonfiction text and making predictions, we're going to think, what might this be about? We're going to make predictions. We're going to be a great communicator and collaborator today. Use our mouth to speak and our ears to listen. So remember, I speak clearly for a reason in a way that helps others understand me. In addition to this, I listen and ask questions so I can understand. Okay, after that, we'll add more to a piece of writing. So in your during writing workshop, you are going to get your materials together, and that includes your journal and your alphabet chart and your crayons and pencils and all these resources. We'll have the word wall up in class. We know writers look at their picture and words, then writers make a plan about what to write next. So you're going to make a plan and think, which piece of writing do I want to work on more? And let's add some more to it. So when you add, you're going to write. You've already done your picture. Now you're going to write. When you write, remember, kindergartners, write a letter for each sound. So when you're sounding it out, listen carefully to hear what's at the beginning, middle, and end of that word. Okay? And then you can write that letter and label it. Okay? Now, last, we'll do literacy centers. We will do literacy centers. And you will be continuing to add details to your story. You're going to be working on P and J and writing those letters, reading books, going on your iPads for a Lexia Core 5 reading program, and doing some other wonderful games that begin with the beginning sound puzzles and ending sound. It's going to be great. It's going to be a wonderful day in kindergarten. Get your fans ready. It's fantastic. All right, so later on, we're going to answer this question. Look at the picture first. Do you like superheroes? Do you? Think about your answer and will be a great communicator. Share why. Do the tally mark under yes or no and your reason. Do you like superheroes?